Have you ever wondered what the universe looked like right after it was born? For decades, scientists dreamed of a machine powerful enough to look back in time, to the very first dawn of creation. That dream is now a reality. On Christmas Day 2021, humanity launched its most ambitious eye on the cosmos, the James Webb Space Telescope. Often called the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, Webb is so much more. It's not just an upgrade. It's a revolutionary leap forward in our quest to understand the universe. While Hubble orbits just above Earth, Webb travels far beyond, to a special spot 1.5 million kilometers away called Lagrange Point 2. From this incredibly stable vantage point, Webb can stare into the deepest, darkest corners of space undisturbed. But why go so far? It's all about staying cool. To see the faintest, most ancient light in the universe, Webb has to be incredibly cold, colder than 220 degrees Celsius. To achieve this, it's protected by a massive 5-layer sunshield about the size of a tennis court. Each layer is thinner than a human hair, yet together they block the heat from the sun, Earth, and Moon, allowing Webb's sensitive instruments to work their magic. And the real star of the show? Webb's magnificent primary mirror. It's a stunning 6.5 meters across, made of 18 hexagonal segments, each coated in a microscopically thin layer of pure gold. You might be wondering, why gold? Gold is exceptionally good at reflecting infrared light, and that's the secret to Webb's power. You see, light from the most distant objects in the universe has been traveling for billions of years. As the universe expands, this light gets stretched out, shifting from visible light into the infrared spectrum. Our eyes can't see it, and even Hubble could only see a small portion of it. But Webb was specifically designed to be an infrared detective, capturing this ancient light and unlocking the secrets of the cosmic dawn. The engineering behind this telescope is nothing short of breathtaking. That giant golden mirror was too big to fit into any rocket. So, engineers designed it to fold up like a piece of high-tech origami. After launch, it had to unfold itself segment by segment in the vacuum of space, a maneuver so complex and risky that many called it NASA's most audacious gamble. It was a sequence of over 300 single points of failure, where even one mistake could have doomed the entire mission. But it worked perfectly. So, what has this $10 billion time machine shown us? In just its first year, Webb has delivered images that have left scientists and the public in awe. It has peered back over 13.5 billion years, capturing galaxies that were just forming when the universe was in its infancy. These aren't the grand spiral galaxies we know today. They are small, clumpy, and chaotic, the very first building blocks of the cosmos. One of Webb's most famous images is the cosmic cliffs in the Carina Nebula. What looks like a mystical mountain range is actually the edge of a gigantic gaseous cavity carved out by intense ultraviolet radiation from young, massive stars. Within these cliffs, new stars are being born, hidden inside dense clouds of gas and dust that were previously invisible. Webb's infrared eyes pierce through these clouds, revealing the stellar nurseries within. Then there's the deep field image known as SMACS 0723. In a patch of sky no bigger than a grain of sand held at arm's length, Webb revealed thousands of galaxies, some of which are the most distant ever observed. The image is warped and bent by the immense gravity of a galaxy cluster in the foreground, a phenomenon called gravitational lensing. This natural zoom lens magnifies the light from even more distant galaxies behind it, allowing Webb to see objects that would otherwise be too faint to detect. It's like having a cosmic magnifying glass built right into the universe. But Webb's mission isn't just about looking back to the beginning of time. It's also about searching for our place in the universe today. Webb has the extraordinary ability to analyze the atmospheres of planets orbiting other stars known as exoplanets. How does it do this? When an exoplanet passes in front of its star, a tiny fraction of the starlight filters through the planet's atmosphere. By analyzing this light, Webb can detect the chemical fingerprints of different molecules, and it's already found them. Webb has confirmed the presence of water vapor, carbon dioxide, and even clouds on distant worlds. It's searching for biosignatures, molecules like methane and oxygen that could hint at the presence of life. Imagine, for the first time in history, we have a tool capable of sniffing the air of a planet hundreds of light years away, looking for signs of a world like our own. Closer to home, Webb is also revolutionizing our understanding of our own solar system. It has given us breathtaking new views of Jupiter, capturing its turbulent storms, swirling clouds, and ethereal auroras at its poles with unprecedented clarity. It has studied Saturn's rings and its mysterious moon, Titan. It's even looking at icy moons like Europa and Enceladus, which are thought to have liquid water oceans beneath their frozen shells, prime locations to search for life within our own cosmic neighborhood. The James Webb Space Telescope is the culmination of over 25 years of work involving thousands of scientists and engineers from NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. It faced countless delays, budget overruns, and moments when it seemed the project might be canceled. But the persistence, ingenuity, and sheer audacity of the teams behind it paid off. Today, Webb stands as one of humanity's greatest scientific and technological achievements. It's more than just a telescope. It's a testament to our relentless curiosity and our desire to understand our origins. Each image it sends back is not just a pretty picture. It's a page from the cosmic storybook, a story that began billions of years ago. As we gaze upon these stunning vistas of star birth, dying galaxies, and distant worlds, we are reminded of something profound. We are not just living on a planet, we are living in the cosmos. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars like the ones Webb is now observing. The journey of the James Webb Space Telescope has only just begun, but it has already fundamentally changed our perspective. It shows us how vast and wonderful the universe is, and how much more there is still to discover. Thank you so much for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you were as amazed by the story of Webb as I am, please hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the wonders of science and space. Let us know in the comments which Webb discovery has amazed you the most. See you next time.